Okay, what do you got out here?
So I think this one's ready for the video. We've got the Nissan Navara, had a tune done, complaining it's blowing black smoke. Just did the dyno run and we're running down to a 10 AFR, which is richer than my XR6 FG Turbo Ute. So
Interesting. Just been tuned, eh? Wow, an atomic bomb. Great tune, guys, or a great remap as always. So now we've got to fix this thing up like we do with all of them. Beautiful remap.
yeah, exactly what you want for an unreliable rig.
Like we sort of say, sadly these tunes like that, the owner gets blinded by the goodwill of the shop and by the power. Drives out and then after a while, just like this job card said, getting sick and tired of the smoke.
Exactly.
So it's just a red flag when you see some of these horrible tunes going on out here. That's crazy, haven't seen one like that for a while. See more of these videos about looking after your diesel and getting it tuned properly, not a crap remap like this. Not even the dyno room has disappeared. Just horrible. Making bad news for diesels. Anyway, we'll get back to the drawing board, fix this thing up so we've got a happy customer in the end.